Hi guys, good evening to all. Today I came up with a new problem, that is the freedom trial. So just ignore the entire question and just follow my the steps and what I'm going to explain right now. So here we have been given two strings, that is the ring and the king. In the ring, the string, we know that the string is a combination of all characters, and here we have been given two strings, that is the ring and the key. Here the characters which is present in the string, the characters which are present in the string which arrange in some of the circular form, and also the key. And here my task is just I have to spell the each character present in the key. But before I proceed with this, so I have to follow some of the rules. See, the rules are, let's say, here you guys are watching. Here you guys are watching this circular, right? Here we have some of the characters. Before I spell any character present in this key, present in this key, I have to see the character. I have to see this character in the ring string, which should be present at the point the 12 o'clock. In a clock, 12 o'clock. It means the character should present at the center of the clock, and if it is not, we can shift to the center position by using the anti-clock or clockwise shifts. So in this way I have to spell the entire characters present in the key string with minimum amount of cost or minimal amount of swaps. Whenever I spell a character, I will add one of the score, I will add +1, and also I will add the number of shifts it takes to spell the character, right? Let's say in the given example, the ring, we have been given the guarding. I have written these characters in a circular wise, and also the key has been given as GD. Let's say G. Here the ring index. Here the I name the index present in the as ring index. Currently at 0, and also the key index is also 0. It points to key. It is the ring index and it is the key index. Let's say both are matching, right? So if both are matching, I don't need to do anything, just I will make the +1 because by avuna. Sorry guys for the interruption. See here the ring index, the character present in the ring string, and also the character present in the key string, both are matching. So here I don't need to shift, no more shifts are required, just I have to add the +1 to spell the character, to spell the particular character. Then later I will increase the key index to 1. I have to spell the next character, it is my requirement. So what I am going to do is, see, I will check in this ring string, is there any D? Yeah, there are two D's. See, there are two D's. So from where can I get the minimal shifts or minimal answer? Like if I consider this D, can I get the minimal answer? Or if I consider this D, can I get the minimal answer? So I have multiple options. That's why it is the dynamic approach. It is not like the greedy, just consider any kind of D which is nearer to the center, which is nearer to the center, and just get the answer. It is not like that. We have to consider the multiple cases there are, so that's why it is the DP. So see, here we have multiple D's, right? D and also D. If I consider this D, right, it requires two shifts to move to the center. It requires two. See here, requires two shifts to move to the center. So after shifting, it's settled at the center, and we have to use one more place, +1 to spell the character, right? And if you consider this, and if you consider this, and if you consider this, see, it requires 3 shifts and plus 1. And you guys might have a doubt, so why are you always considering the anti-clockwise direction? What about the clockwise? Yeah, it is one of the edge case. Let's say if d is present here and if d is present here, I have the 3 cases, right? See, d, it gives the 2 shifts and it gives the 3 shifts and it gives, I mean, anti-clockwise, in anti-clockwise it gives 1 shift. So here the thing is, we have to look for both clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. In both cases, if we get the minimal answer, I mean from the left shift, I mean from the anti-clockwise, if we get the minimal answer, we look for the anti-clockwise. And if in the clockwise direction, if we get the minimal answer, then we will look for that. It is like we have to choose for all directions. So there is one of the cases. So I hope that you like the approach, and let's see coding. While do coding, we can understand things easily. I'm going to code it up. Let's say first of all, I'm going to pass ring index as 0. I mean the index of the ring string, which is useful to track the characters of the ring string, and also 0th index of the key to tag the characters of the key string. And also I'm passing this key as well. I'm considering it as ring index and key index, string ring and string key. So these are enough. Let's say, can you guys find the base case? So what will be my base case? Whenever we reach to the length of the key, I mean, see, here it is the GD, here it is the GD. When I move to the length of the GD, here the length of GD is 2. When my index, the key index reaches to GD, it means I have spelled all the characters present in the key string. It means I got the answer. I don't need any kind of shifts, or I mean I don't need any kind of anti-clock or clockwise direction. So just I have to return the answer simply. It is 0, right? Get out of size is equal to, okay, simply return 0. Nothing to do with this. And as I'm going to find the minimal answer, so it is better to keep it as int max, right? Now it is the main case. I'm going to check all the characters present in the string which matches to the character of key, right? If it happens, I will consider one of the variable, that is the minimal distance variable. Here I'll try to calculate the count of I and also the kth index, and also just to calculate how many shifts are required. See, have shown you guys to find how many shifts are required to get the answer. I mean minimal shifts are. So for this I am using this. So to spell a character I need 1 more plus 1, right? And also I'm just simply call the recursive function. Here the row my index becomes here. Now my ring index becomes I from, because see, when I move a character, when I spell a character, now the character, you have to understand that the character is present at the center of the clock. So it means it becomes the, it becomes the center, I mean it becomes the index of the ring, right? So I pass it I, because see I matches to k means it becomes the index ring, index of the ring. So I have passed it as I, and the same thing I have to repeat. That's it. Simply, simply I have to return the result. See, I have to find the count, minimum count. Yes, Indian for anti-clock. Simply I will do I manage because the decision should be always positive, so I am considering the absolute. Also for clockwise, I am considering the n minus anti-clock. I have shown it as well. Finally my answer is going to be minimal of, from both of these I have to consider always minimal, right? Clock. No, let's try to run this code whether it works or not, and maybe I have done some of the mistakes here. There is tactical errors. I'm getting the wrong answer. I don't know. In the minimal. Oh, sorry. It is going to be the index. Let's try to run this code. I hope that it will give the time limit exit error, because I am using the recursive calls without any. What might be? It's giving the wrong answer. What might be the reason? The ring key, the int max. Everything is fine. I am trying to return the minimal answer always. What could be the problem here? I guess it is better to use the DB. going to initialize. Size of dp of foreign. Hope it will work right now. Yes. I hope that you understand the code and the explanation as well. Thank you. We will meet in next video. Bye.